Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right, good morning. We here. Dragging a little bit this morning. What up, Son of Wall Street, Timbo in the house. Dragging just a little bit. Trying to get everything pulled up. Running a little behind this morning. All right. What up, Clarity Man Moxie in the house? Good morning. Just trying to get everything pulled up here. Okay. What are we missing? I hate when I'm kind of like running. I'm not late, but you know, we're not on time either. You know what I mean? Not late, but we're not on time. Let's get everything pulled up. Tech T in the house. All right, let's check the news right quick. Do we have anything today? Is Jolts actually coming out or no? Does anybody know? So it shows Jolts at 10 a.m. Says Bostic speaks at 10:50. Anybody know if Jolts is actually coming out? All right, let me see. 68.72. $68.77. I'm looking at Mancini's numbers now. 87. $6,900. 68.57. $68.38. All right, got those levels marked out. Government is open again. Okay, that's good. What up, Trust Futures? Still waiting for that My Funded Futures account. It could come today. We'll see. I don't know. I sent it over to them, and then beyond that, you know, it's tough. All right, let me see. I'll message him again today. They have a new person, a different person handling things. He's not new, but he is a different person. So, like, got to give a little bit of a leeway to him, I guess. But I will message again this morning. Oh, man, I can't spell. Let's mark this stuff off. 067.25 is the open. Got to get my ATM strategy set up over here. Looks like the 15-minute range is set. But we got time to do it. No point in being in a hurry. Overnight high up there. Previous day low. We're below the previous day low already, huh? Yeah. Previous day close up there. Okay, well, I know I don't have any downside targets. I remember. I don't know yet, Trust Futures. I'm not sure. I'm looking now. It's kind of what we're doing. And then the next levels down are pretty good ways down there. Oh, did not give me the same? Come on, man. Oh, you piece of junk. All right, those are the levels to the downside. Upside's pretty obvious. We don't have to mark too much out on the upside. I would say we're not really bullish until we need to. We got two gaps up above that we need to fill. So I wouldn't really say we're bullish yet at all. Let's see what the range is here. So the range, wait. Why is it not showing me the... How many points is this? I don't understand why it's showing me that. It's saying this is this that many? Holy shit. I didn't realize this is that big of a gap. Guys, the gap today is huge. It's a 104-point gap. That is insane. I mean, morning Rob, morning Futures Trader. 104 points. I mean, that makes our stop 208 ticks. Which means 2 micros is $200. Man. I think I'm going to skip the opening range today, guys. I think I'm going to skip it. We have a 400 point range overnight. I don't know, man. I don't know. Am I going to skip it or not? That is 100 points. It cost you 400 on eval. Dang. What do you guys think? I mean, that opening range is so big. I mean, you'd have to make 200 points or 100 points to go for 2R. Huh. I don't know. If I was looking at it like it was telling me wrong. Good morning, Francis. I was like, is it telling me wrong? But it's not. It's just the opening range that big. It's crazy. Rapid 50K accounts issued for the following. So he issued the 4. So he issued the accounts just now. Someone asked Trust Futures. You should have your account now, I think. I don't know what to do, guys. I really don't know what to do here. All right. Good morning, Jan. I don't really know what to do here, guys. I don't know what to do. Do I just bypass the opening trade? I mean, I guess I can take it on eval, but I don't think I'm going to take it on funded accounts, guys. I don't think I'm going to take it on funded accounts. I think I'm going to bypass the funded accounts. All right, I am just going to take it on evals. And we can risk a little more on the eval. We'll go 3 micros. Stop loss is 208. Three micros. We'll take 1 off at the 1R. +4. Okay, I'm setting this up here. So all right, I think, or now we got to save it. Orb long, save. Orb short. Save. Okay. All right. I guess I'm going to take it. We'll see. Yeah, Trust. Thank you. Appreciate you. Good morning, Predator. Yeah, we'll see. Eval or nothing. Jolt's incoming as well. Yeah, I don't. It's so. Future trade, I normally take it on micros, but like it's such a weird. It's a weird thing, right? It's very, very weird. So I'm going to only take it on an eval. I'm going to play it safe here. I mean, I don't normally do that. You guys know this, but when you need your stop to be 50 points and you got to target 100 points to get paid, that is a bit I'm going to call that excessive. Call that what it is. Copy all. I need to get on there. I'm not even on the right chart here. Oh, does my Fund of Futures not even connected yet? Oh, I didn't even mark out the levels too. 839.75. All $6.84. All right, close enough. What's going on with my mouse? There's Jolt at 10. Head and Shoulders Jack. Hanzik. I don't mind you posting in the chat, but do not spam, bro. Don't spam. Okay. So we got to go buy, stop limit, boom. Then we got to turn on the OCO, and then we got to go RB long. I got about a minute to open. What up, Trading Star? All right, all right, all right. I'm going 3 micros. These are going to be evals only, guys. Evals only. $8.39, $7.35.50. Did I put this in the wrong spot? I did. Damn it. I put that in the wrong spot. All right, we're short here. Did I do this wrong? I think I might have done it wrong, guys. I'm taking those two off. Just going to take some profit. I don't know what I did there. I think I did something wrong. Did I figure? Is my math wrong? So it did work there for at least. Is my math wrong? 104. I don't know. I thought I did that wrong. I'm not quite sure what happened there. I took $135. That's fine. I don't know what I did there, guys. Hey, Istolf, thank you for your subscription. You the man. Welcome to the channel. Do we have some Lucid funded account P&L issues? No, not that I know of, but Trev, you sent him $100. Let's go. Yeah, kind of a choppy open. I don't know what was going on there, guys. I kind of just got out of that. It's not stopped out or anything yet. I kind of just got out of it. It looks like it's going to work. I think it might have already worked for 2R. No, not quite. 2R would be 630. But it already worked for the 1R. So it did work for 1R, which is north of 50 points already. I'm going to jump back in here. I was going to jump back in and get down there, but just taking a little less, and I get in a little late. Probably get stopped this time. I don't know. Maybe not. Alright, now I'm at $200 on these evals. I'm going to take it off. We're done. I'm closing my Ninja. I entered over here on this eval, 1 micro. Looks like it's going to get stopped. Yeah, it's alright. That's okay. Alright. What up, design? You said Silver Home? You got 170 on a single micro on that bounce. Let's go. Yes, back up to 857 there. Denny, I forgot to weigh in this morning. I woke up a little late. If you just held, yeah, that's a big green candle there for sure. What did I, I'm going to connect Bulenox. We're going to try to take some trades on our funded accounts on Bulenox. After we kind of get an idea what's going to happen here. All right. Now the opening range is out of the way. So it would have worked for 1R. I mean, I don't know, man. Maybe I think that the safe play there was to not take it on funded. I think that was the safe play. So that's what I did. Stop was more than I was comfortable with. Even trading 1 or 2 micros, I didn't feel like the target was worth it. So we didn't take it on the funded accounts, and I think that's okay. So we are going to trade over here. We're going to try to get our fundeds going. Look for some spots. What up, Edna? Yeah, you have the entire day, Edna. Before 5 o'clock or 4:10. Opening range is 15 minutes. Neo, yeah, so it's the... I use the 9 to 9:15 a.m. candle. So, a little different. I missed the entry here, guys. I had a little long here. I'm going to take it anyway. I'll add into it if I need to. Entry would have been down here at 50. Come on. Go! This piece of shit. Oh. There we go. I got $50 of it back now. Oh. Now, Room Treff was just clowning there, I think. Nice green buy, for sure. That was the 1 minute close outside the range. That I don't normally take that second entry, But because of how we got a reaction off of that 38 level and ES reclaimed the 57, I thought that that entry would be a really good spot, and I didn't get in time. I would have got the full 1R there, obviously. Would be break even if I got in on time. It ripped off that bottom and killed you. That sucks. Dun, 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 dun. Futures trader over there banging the GC. 47.75. Is that $4,700 or $400? Nice job. Oh, rejecting off the VWAP there. Remember, guys, we got jolts. Let's go, Weeks. Yeah, you can't. All metals, lavender. They saying that it's temporary, but I mean, to me, if it was temporary, why would you not allow micros, right? Like, what's the harm in allowing micros? I mean, I would buy the... I'm gonna... God dang it. I tried to buy the 50 there, and I didn't get it down in time. I wasn't really looking. All right, ES is pushing up here, 75s. Someone get wild lag. I'm on the X feed right here that you're seeing. It seems okay. Let's go, Francis. 100 points, 1 micro. I like it. I'm going to try it here. Come on, man. 2 times in a row not tagging me in. Oh, come on. Well, well, well. I took it off because I don't like that we tapped in. We ran this swing now. And we're getting a new 15-minute candle. All right, I'm going to take a stab here. Take a stab since it appears to be kind of respecting this 2-minute order block. Let's go. All right, pretty much back to break even there. Let's go, futures trader. Remember, we got the gap fill up here. We got the gap fill up there. Hey, let's go. Nice job. Nice job, ES Trader. Let's go. Edna. Let's go. Excellent, excellent. It was so hard. Yeah. Let's go. Nice job. Nice job. Does look like we're going for the gap fill. If we didn't have the news, I might. I mean, I don't know. It is volatile enough to be out pretty quickly. Plus 1,100 micro points. Let's go. Nice job. Yeah, Jolt's in 10 minutes, so I'm going to wait. Range is gay. I kind of like a range day. I would like a range day after having those 2 or 3. 3 days. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, range is funny. I'm waiting on the news, and then I'm gonna go from there. I'm still gonna look for trades on my funded accounts, but I need the news to bypass first, though. I don't want to get stuck in a trade and the news comes. I'm a little like groggy this morning. Let's see here. Yep, perfect. All right. So yeah, we'll see kind of what happens here. Again, got news, guys, in about 10 minutes. I'm just being a little bit careful here. I don't want to dig a hole. We're already green on our evals, which, you know, I mean, they are evals, but they're still, you know, hey, we want to pass those too. We want to pass those too. No funded trades yet. Fish lips, you must have been going crazy on those scalps this morning. I don't know, man. There's no way I could be that aggressive early at the open. It's on a range. If you know it's a range day, great job, by the way. But if you know it's a range day, I mean, it's, you know, a little easier. But like, I don't know. I'm trying to be careful that opens. I find it open, like I've gotten myself into a couple of positions where like if I just waited 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that you know, then it would have been better. So I actually think that this strategy works better later in the day. I don't know. You can tell me, you've been trading it longer. I'm thinking like a little bit later in the day, like noonish or 11, even 10, 10:30. Wait for like, you kind of determine whether it's a trend day or not, right? Right now, it looks like it's going to be a range day. It looks like it's going to be a range day based on the fact that we had a 450 point move overnight. I think, even though the range is still going to be big, we're probably going to stay in this range today, most likely. Now, that is 500 points, but we'll see. Yeah, Tech T, they did. They banned everything. It was posted in the Discord by Matty Matt. Appreciate you, Matty Matt. If you guys didn't see it, yeah. Is this it? No, that's not it. I don't know. It's in the Discord if you want to see the letter. Yeah, I'm just waiting as well, Neo. I'm waiting for that news. I know it's still 7 minutes away, but, you know. Well, Lavender, I agree to some degree, right? Yeah, they're easy to make money on, but they're also easy to kill your account on. So I don't really think it's like because of overall more people were making money. I think it's because overall one-offs were making huge profits here or there. That's the way I feel. Like one-offs here or there were making big money, and that's kind of what was causing the issue. Oh. I just saw something kind of made me chuckle. I can't share it with you guys, but it was funny. All right, here we go, guys. About 5 minutes until the news comes out. Yeah, ATR is insane, Treff, right now. 77. Oh, my goodness. Oh, man, that's kind of funny. Oh, well. This will be a good spot to kind of try along as well, but unfortunately, we're not going to be able to. You want to laugh? I don't even know if I can, man. I mean, I don't even mind posting it here. What I'll do is I'll just say this. No, I can't post it here. All right, I'll post it in the Discord. It's not like you have to interpret it yourself, okay? You have to interpret it yourself. So I'm going to post it in the Discord, but you got to interpret it yourself. I can't say anything about it. Go take a look. Futures Trader gives you an error. I'll send you an invite now. There's the link. $150 for 1 mini right now at this ATR. That's crazy, yeah. Yeah, go take a look at that. Go take a look at that and see what you think. I don't know, it's kind of gave me a chuckle. No, it's not Timbo. It's nothing like that. Looks like a young Tom Sabo. I don't know. That's kind of my thought process. That's what I was thinking. All right, guys. 2 minutes until news. Link not working? What do you mean? It's working. It's working, bro. You're blocked, Room Beats. That's why. You're blocked. Got you blocked over there. Just kidding. Just kidding. Oh, guys, I forgot about the giveaway. How come nobody reminded me? Anybody want the giveaway? The 9 to 9:15 candle weeks. So the 9 o'clock high. See, that's the high. The 9:15 low. Oh, mustache. Yeah, Philcos. What up, Philcos? All right, guys, let's see if this news does anything. Here's the news. All right, here we go. I don't know. I mean, I don't know why it takes you to a mailbox page. I mean, I clicked on the link and it works fine. Bam. All right. Oh, after accept invite? I don't know. Should work. I'll DM you an invite. See if it works any difference. There, I DM'd you. I'm getting some data latency now. Weeks to the Discord, that's all. Do we look to long down here or what? Do we wait for the 613? I don't know. It looks like we're going for the lows. All right, tagged in here. Don't really want to have to get the ad in here, but if we do, we do. Taking it off there. Still probably gets through there, but let's just lock it in. Oh. Yeah, it is. John, it's a little wick down there. It's not obvious. It's on the 4-hour. Or wait, that's yeah, it's on the 4-hour. It's not that obvious, but it is down there. I'm gonna short 7. I can go 725. Do I go short 750? I don't know that we get to push back up that far. Oh, I gotta make sure this copy trader's turned off. It isn't. Yes, approaching the low here. Almost had some working orders left open there. I just noticed that. Woo! Yeah, it has been weeks. It's been crazy. It's been like very nice. All right, just enter the short there on one funded. Got the $50 there. I'm gonna rotate over to the next funded. Took the short at 700 on the funded there. All right, yes, making a new low here. Nasdaq approaching. Might look for. Do we look for a little bounce down here? I don't know. Fighting the itch, trader on tilt. Yeah. Hold off till you get your setup. You know it'll come. What do we do here? Neo, you just blew your account? Oh, goodness, man. What happened? You were still longing? Is real talk about female nature a taboo in Western society nowadays? No, no, no. Asking for yourself? It's not. Oh. I forgot what I was doing earlier. Let's get in there and do it now. Oh, you lost $200 and it blew? Yeah, drawdown does suck. Oh, let me take a look at one other thing too while we got a second here. I'm just kind of waiting here to see what happens. Yeah, the 9 EMA is definitely one of those things that you could follow for sure. Mancini judge's tweet. Let's read it. What Mancini say? 32 must reclaim to pop again. $22 and 13 remain below. I'm going to take this aggressive short here on the eval. Is the initial balance set? No. Is that, what range? That's the 15-minute range. Yeah, trust futures. Do we buy 600? I don't think it's horrible. I'm going to buy the 600 here, guys. I know it's against trend. Anything else below? Yeah, John, I got way down there. 150. I'm going to buy the 600 here. I mean, sweep of liquidity here, kind of at a level there for ES. I think that I don't think it's terrible. Might get a little. This could be risky. I mean, it is risky. We know it is. Counter trend. Yeah, later, dude. That's kind of the idea, right? But we'll see here what happens. Back above 600 here. Should get a nice little push. 615. Maybe 625 if we can. I may go stop to break even, which I don't normally do on these trades, but I may go stop to break even at like 615. Boop, 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 boop. We'll see kind of what happens. Apex or Belanox 90%? Nope. Neither. Neither guy. Neither are. Yes, at a support level here. Let's see if we can hold. Like none of the supports are really holding. It's just going to be a down day again. Another day where we just go down. It could be, I guess. Let's go, Jamie. Nice job. Yeah, John, it happens, right? It could happen. Very twitchy here. All right. We're out. $75 BOGO, no activation fee. Yeah, they got a really good deal there. Use code MM. Use code MM. The music that I'm making. Let's go. I mean, nice job. That was the new 15-minute candle. Nice, nice. What's Nutty up to this morning? No trades? Oh, I didn't know. No, no, I wasn't. Weeks. I was like, what's he talking about? Because I'm over here just kind of, singing. I kind of like 650 for a short, but like, I don't know. It might not get me in. Oh, come on. Get me in, bro. Why I keep doing that? Ah. Do you guys see why I wanted the short there? Anybody see? Oh, you tried to catch the nice twice? Yeah. Do you guys see why I was trying to catch, why I wanted the short there, though? What we got on the 5-minute. I mean, you can see it on the 2-minute here, too, but untested wick, 15-minute range. Nine EMA. A lot of reasons for us to get a little reaction there. So I just didn't get the order down in time. I don't know if you guys have noticed. I'm trying not to market in near as much. I'm trying to drop limits. And while that does give you better feels, sometimes I miss trades because of that. But you can see there's the 5-minute. Already had that drawn out. And then, what are you going to do? There will be more opportunities. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Let me see how many likes we got. 32 likes. 63 viewers. Guys, we're only 9 subscribers away from 8,800. Isn't that like a magic number for some cultures? 8s. 88. 8s, I think, right? I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. You almost always market but will limit out half the time. Yeah, I used to limit every trade. Or no, I used to market every trade, if you guys remember that. I mean, I still do it sometimes, but I'll kind of want to take the second test here, but I'm not going to. They're Freemasons. Yes, the Freemasons. The Curse of Oak Island. Just the Chinese, exactly. Yeah. What up, Oracle? Where you been? Where you been? Hadn't seen you in a minute. Oh, man, look at her go. Been sick? That sucks. Gold's kind of chopping. YM's at a key area. Oracle, there was a guy last night trying to get in your Discord. His name was O3 Michael. I don't know. He said he was in your other one back in the day, so I don't know whether he got in or not. Need more likes. Hit 70. Let's go. Thank you, Oracle. You the man. Hope you feel better, bud. Let's go, Punisher. Yeah, they sent out the accounts finally this morning. The guy is being much more responsive now, so he's new. He just started doing this, so like gotta give him a little bit of time here, but I think he'll be on it from now on. Hey, 5 free memberships. Heather, Insane, Michael, Hilarious, and Francis. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your membership. You the man. Thank you, Oracle. Appreciate that. Guys, drop the W in the chats for Oracle there. Yeah, I mean, if we look at the hourly chart, guys, I mean, did I mark out? I don't think I marked everything out. I don't know what that 413 is. All right, that was actually on a different chart that I marked that out on. Oh, that was a wick there. There is one more wick on the hourly, somewhere between these two zones. Let me see. Right there. But I mean, there's not much below there, guys. I mean, we get down to that 150. Your next levels are quite a ways down. Quite a ways down. Oh. And looks like on the ES, next level down is like the 6,800, really. $6,800. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway, guys. Oh. High or low here, guys. All right, let's watch the 32 level in the ES, guys. That's the reclaim area, potentially. Trade of 8 lagging. I'm not even taking any trades on Trade of 8 yet. What up, Alito? Am I saying the Bhagavad Gita is a classic Indian spiritual text that presents a dialogue between Lord Krishna and the warrior Arjuna about duty, life, and morality? Exactamente. I missed another one, guys. I'm terrible at this. I'm doing so bad at this. I'm doing so bad at this. Gotta let it out, Phil Coach. You gotta let it out. I'm trying to join the shorts, guys. I just can't get in. Oh, I'm tired this morning. That made your day? Let's go. I'm kind of watching the ES here. It made a new low. Nasdaq's not quite there yet. I'm going to try a long here, guys, if I can get tagged in. Can't get tagged in again. There is an SMT here, a bullish SMT. Damn, that 25 paid instantly. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm doing, yeah, exactly. Well, not 3 a days, Pine Tree, 2 a days, but I am up late. I'm up until like 11. I don't normally stay up that late. I mean, I'm still looking at the shorts, guys. I really am. But just trying to find spots where maybe it makes sense. This looks like we make a new low here. We'll see. Yeah, the volatility is insane. Oh, you're on Tom's show last night? Oh, dang. So you're up at like 3 a.m.? That's crazy, Pine. Well, I guess for you it'd be 2 a.m. This is dangerous, guys. Very dangerous. I know this is dangerous. I'm shorting deep in discount. Not the smartest thing. Yeah, nothing wrong with that, just ain't right. That's a smart move. Dangeroso. I sense danger. Then I'm back to run the show. Whoa, it one ticked me there. On target number 1. All right, out of one there. Stops in. Logging in 10. Locking in 30. $35 locked in there. Let's go. Bills are getting paid. Nice job, Raul. All right, now we're up $200. Let's go. That was a bit of a risky trade, though. I ain't going to say that wasn't. It was with the trend, though, but. Now you'll trade in the PM session. Let's go, Tris. Nothing wrong with that. Oh, you're expecting me to take 100? No. Not a hundy. Things went wrong. ES is approaching support level there at 6,800. What up, Hasnain? Show you that I understand. Emilio Rodriguez? Yeah, he is. Oh, come on. How's Nasdaq not take that low out? We are getting some pretty wild candles here, guys. Be very careful. Have to work late. Too bad. All right. Kind of want to see us just sweep the low and get a bounce. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, 450 is holding nicely for 550. 550. Give me 543. Yeah, it's reasonable. I don't mind it. Half or smash. Smash? You might have to smash. Nah, we hope you have. Hasnain, I don't know what you're asking for, bud. Hasnain, I'm gonna be very polite, man, and tell you that, dude, if I helped everybody that asked me to give them money, I would have no money. So I hate to be that way, man, but I hope you find your help. I'm not a rich man. I mean, to be honest with you, I'm not. We live a very frugal life, and I have a big family, so we are not rich by any stretch of the imagination. I'm not going to be interested in a long until ES. I think I don't know. I mean, well, I do like a long at the sweep of the low, but we do kind of have a little bit of a flag here, but it's not great looking. Hey, let's go, Matty Matt. Matty Matt got approved on his payouts, guys. All right, let's see. Oh, that sucks, Alito. Yeah, this is tough. Wings I would fly.
Nate Dogg is about to make somebody's turn. Now they
Man, you can't even say cold. A little Warren G. Yeah. Nate Dogg. A spot where you could short, but I'm going to wait. We're going to be more patient. It got smashed? Yeah. That sucks. I'm watching the 600 level here pretty intently. 1950 Soul Style remakes? Yeah, I have. I've seen that. I've seen a couple of those like that. Like I like the ones too where like they will turn like an iconic rap song into a country song or something like that. Have you seen those? That's pretty neat too. Yeah, rap to jazz. That's what I'm saying. They do like different sort of songs to different sort of All right, guys, I'm going to short 725, just so you know. And the idea there is that's going to be about when ES approaches that 32, which is the line in the sand for the longs. Oh, I don't have a link for one, but yeah, I can probably find one. Let's see. I can show you one here. Let me see if I can find this one. Here it is. Was it country or was it like the soul version that I like better? Let me see. Might have been the soul version. Anyways, this is kind of like the ones I'm talking about. This is not necessarily the one, but that's one of them. They give you a whole list of them. Do I short this? I mean, the 700 already paid, though. Yeah. I don't have Spotify, John. All right, I'm short 25, guys. Look for the 600. This is on my Bulenox funded, so. Lego. It's $50 locked on 2 fundeds. I'm going to move down to the 3rd funded. I'm rotating them, just going for $50. I wanted the short off 725. That's the short I wanted because we have the protection of the 50 EMA. We have the protection of the initial, the opening range balance there, opening range low. So I wanted the short up here, but also paying attention to kind of what I normally look for off the 2-minute here, knowing that if price broke below 25 here, that we probably make a new low. So I was okay with taking it at the 25. I don't love it as much, but obviously the play would have been the 700 short, but I didn't really think about that. David Ick on Redacted TV with Natalie and Clayton Morris on YouTube yesterday. Who is that? I don't know who that is. All right, now you got me over here listening to soul music. What time is it? No. All right, I got a post on Twitter. Guys, I did change my Twitter at to Methodical Man. A little bit in rows is all I need. You're not wrong. Soul is the Shiite. Could be. I say I kind of like all music. Then he starts with his Amish music, and I'm out fast. Secret societies running the world. I don't know. Yeah, candles are huge. This is, I mean, I still might be interested in a long down here at the 550 level. I was looking for that earlier. Might. I might be interested in a long down there. It's tricky, Pine Tree. Like, this is not a whole lot of follow through, but the candles are big. Big candles. The lizard people won't push the market lower. You got to get in there with the lizard people. You got to join them. Ain't no sunshine when it's only darkness every day. We gonna play. Not in love with this one, but we're gonna take it. Come on, get me out. Lego. That's another $50 locked up on a funded. Well, technically $48, I guess. You don't think 550 will hold? I'm not sure. What up, Kevin? Doing pretty well. I think we're green everywhere today, right? Yeah, 206. Yeah, we're green everywhere. I don't know if 550 is going to hold or not. I mean, I was thinking about buying 550, but if you're saying it's not going to hold, what's the deal there? There you go. Me too, Pine Tree. All right, guys, 3 minutes. Exclamation point MM, 3 minutes on the giveaway. Let's ride. So higher lows here, a little scary. A little scary for the shorts. Just a little scary. High off Whedon. Oh, we better not sing that song. This is one of those jams you got to turn it up. No copywriters. Yeah, but it's got some words I'm not supposed to say in there, Pine Tree. Oh. You got 1 minute, guys, to enter the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat. How many entries we got? It's weird. It's not showing me the giveaway. Oh, there it is. We got 80 people in there. Oh. My headphones have been beeping at me. I do need to charge them. I guess I'll do that in between segments. $20 seconds. Oh. All right, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Psych. Enter again. Shotgun. You got 2 minutes. Exclamation point MM. Did you dirty today? Did you dirty? I did you dirty. I had to keep you on your toes right there, you know? I keep you on your toes. Keep you on your toes. You got to be ready for it. You got to be listening. One minute, 5 seconds left. Do I buy that 550 area? I don't know. Pine Tree says he doesn't think it's going to hold. Probably not wrong. I was just thinking ES has a little support level there at 800. So I was thinking about buying the 550. That's your target? Well, I want you to get it. I don't know if I want to buy there. We're kind of like getting a little bottoming range here over the last, really, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. We've been in this kind of 580 to 680 range. 10 seconds. Patience pays. Congratulations. You have won. Patience pays. Excellent name. Excellent name. Make yourself known. Patience pays. Patience pays. Where you at? Rigged. Patient pays. Send me an email. methodicalman@gmail.com. I need you to show me that you are logged into your YouTube channel. Top right hand corner. Click on your icon. Screenshot this. Send it to me in the email. Also include your MyFunded Futures email address. You're going to have won a 50K MyFunded Futures Rapid account. Very good prize. Long here. Trust you long here. Is that what you're saying? $50K rapid account from My Funded Futures. All right, room. I'm gonna long here. I'm long in here. Room beats guarantee. All right, I'm long. Done for the day. Let's go, Pine Tree. Come on, room. Get up there, room beats guarantee. Get up there, room beats. Oh, no. No, you told me to long. I longed when you said. I waited for the pullback. You got everybody in the chat heard it. Room beats guarantee long 650. That was the guarantee you gave. I'm in all my funded accounts here too. If this fails, it's on room beats. Just kidding. Ha 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 ha. Just kidding. Yes, Lucid does not renew. Lucid does not renew. Full port. Up 350, closing the copier. Let's go. You get no commission. You get zero commission. Zero commissions. That's how it works. Yeah, kind of are longing top of the range. I do like shorts up here a little better, but it is tricky to short up here too. Yeah, Fideas also does not, yeah. There's a few of them that don't. I think Day Traders doesn't either, right? Um, Will my free My Funded Future Rapid renew in 30 days? No, Trust Futures. It will be canceled in 30 days. You got 30 days to pass it. So you need to get it done. You got 30 days.
Gotta go back to when we played as kids, but things changed.
Oh, yeah, that was an eval room. I wouldn't do that on a funded. We wouldn't do that on a funded. Come on. I am looking for a funded trade here, though. Yeah, Edna barely got by, but they did. I don't really want to buy the middle of the range here. I mean, I could buy 575. I like 550 better, though. That was A+. All right, Patience. Appreciate you. I entered late. I entered when I saw your message. What do you want me to do? I'm trying to decide if I want to buy the 75 or not. I mean, we are ranging here, but it'll be my luck that we'll bust out of the range. Things will know. Yeah, little vibes. Tupac vibes. I like the 575 entry better. I really like the 550 entry more than that, but come on. It almost got me in there off the 575. That's rude. Darn it. It hit the 600. Can we squeeze here? This is a funded account, yeah. Not in love with it, but We'll see what happens. I'm long 600 because I had a limit order sitting up there just in case it pushed, because it almost pushed through there a minute ago. I like the 550 entry better, but if we continue to hold the higher low here, it should be fine. If we break the low though, that could be of concern. So, of course, room is short. All right, just got added in there at 75. So, I'm just on one funded account, by the way. We need a 600 retest here to get out. I don't have a stop, so I won't be stopped out. I'm not going to blow the account. I'll take a loss, but I'm not going to blow the account. Yes, at the low now. Little double bottom there on the ES. Wish. New 5-minute candle here in 10 seconds. Data latency there. ES ripping back up there. What was that room? What was that? What was that room? Ha 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 ha. Oh. Yeah, I don't blame you, Coper. That was a tricky trade. All right, we'll give you guys the rundown here. Up 255 on that one. $50 or 48. These are like $50. 48. 50. This is from last night. Up 523. We did trade some of these evals. They took the opening range trade or whatever. They're up a couple $100. And then a couple of funded accounts up $50 on the other ones. A couple of Apex accounts. So, guys, I'm going to be over on My Funded TV here at 11:30. Here's the link. I'm going to put it up at the top of the chat. Please join me over there, guys. Again, you know, we got to show them that we're moving the needle here. So go over there. Even if you just pin me up into the background, you don't have to talk. It's fine. So we do appreciate you guys watching, and we will be back tonight, 7, between 6 and 8. We'll be here probably between 7 and 8 at some point. So it's going to do it for me today. Do appreciate you guys watching, and as always, we will see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash